Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you the mod I've been making for 2 days or 3 days. So this is the first version, really not good, and the lever, just design. Very simple. But this is the version 2.it function very good. It has a pusher. Like just the first version, they fall to the ground, but this time they get pushed. So this is remastered. Not laggy anymore because of less wheels. But this is the final and the greatest. It's not a lever anymore, just a button. And they separate button. On the top is pusher, and in the bottom is the piston. It has a glass to where you can grab your food. Now put your foods and start selling them.
Hope you enjoy. BTW 10 likes for link.